that was the advice, wasn't it? Absolutely. Well, Adam said that he had, no, was it Adam or Alex? One of the guys up at Cadbury said that they had been reading a load of research on them and that it was mostly insect in their diet rather than snails and crustaceans, is what puffers normally eat. So, yeah, I'm guessing the shells on the insect is enough.
I'd like to invade your space. Oh, tooth on tooth. You tell her. You stick your nose in his mouth. That's it, Lucy. Oh, Lucy, you get 10 points for trying. That's enough of that.